The Mysteries of z11, a journey through time and space. In the vast, infinite expanse of the universe, there exists a galaxy so distant and ancient that its light has traveled for over 13.4 billion years to reach us. This galaxy, known as z11, is one of the most extraordinary discoveries in modern astronomy. It is a window into the early universe, a time when the cosmos was young, and the first galaxies were just beginning to form. But z11 is more than just a scientific marvel. It is a source of wonder, inspiration, and even mystery. Let us embark on a journey to explore the known facts, fascinating theories, and the myths and ancient tales that surround this incredible cosmic wonder. The discovery of z11. In 2016, astronomers using the Hubble Space Telescope made a groundbreaking discovery, a galaxy so far away that its light had been traveling for 13.4 billion years to reach Earth. This galaxy, named z11, is one of the most distant objects ever observed. To put this into perspective, the universe itself is estimated to be about 13.8 billion years old, which means z11 existed just 400 million years after the Big Bang. z11 is not just distant, it is also incredibly ancient. When we look at z11, we are peering back in time to an era when the universe was in its infancy. This makes z11 a treasure trove of information for scientists seeking to understand how the first galaxies formed and how the universe evolved in its early stages. What we know about z11. z11 is a high redshift galaxy, meaning its light has been stretched into the red part of the spectrum due to the expansion of the universe. This phenomenon, known as redshift, is a key tool astronomers use to measure the distance of faraway objects. Here are some of the most fascinating facts about z11: size and brightness. z11 is relatively small compared to modern galaxies, like the Milky Way. It is about 25 times smaller in size, but it is surprisingly bright. This brightness is due to its rapid rate of star formation. z11 is creating new stars at a rate about 20 times faster than the Milky Way today. Chemical composition. Unlike modern galaxies, z11 contains very few heavy elements, like iron and carbon. This is because it formed during a time when the universe was still young, and many of the elements we see today had not yet been created. These elements are forged in the hearts of stars and spread throughout the universe. When stars die in supernova explosions, in z11, the stars are made mostly of hydrogen and helium, the simplest and most abundant elements in the universe. Distance and age. z11 is located approximately 13.4 billion light-years away from Earth. This means that the light we see from z11 left the galaxy 13.4 billion years ago, when the universe was only about 3% of its current age. Black hole theory. Some scientists believe that z11 might host a supermassive black hole at its center. This black hole could be responsible for the galaxy's intense brightness, as it devours surrounding material and emits enormous amounts of energy. However, this theory is still under investigation, and more research is needed to confirm it. Theories about z11. z11 has sparked many theories and questions about the early universe. Scientists are eager to learn more about this ancient galaxy, and what it can tell us about the origins of the cosmos. Here are some of the most intriguing theories. The seed of galaxies. Some scientists believe that z11 might be one of the seed galaxies that eventually grew into the massive galaxies we see today. Over billions of years, z11 could have merged with other galaxies, growing larger and more complex in the process. The role of dark matter. Dark matter, an invisible substance that makes up most of the universe's mass, is thought to have played a key role in the formation of z11. Without dark matter, galaxies like z11 might never have come together. A glimpse into the past. Because z11 is so far away, it allows us to look back in time to an era when the universe was still young. By studying z11, scientists hope to learn more about the conditions of the early universe and how the first stars and galaxies formed. Myths and ancient tales. While z11 was only discovered recently, humans have always looked to the stars for inspiration. Throughout history, people have created myths and stories to explain the mysteries of the cosmos. Let's explore some ancient tales that might connect to z11 and the early universe. The first light. In many cultures, the creation of the universe is tied to light. For example, in ancient Egyptian mythology, the god Atum emerged from the darkness to create the world. z11, as one of the earliest sources of light in the universe, could be seen as a cosmic representation of this first light, the cosmic egg. Some ancient myths described the universe as hatching from a cosmic egg. z11, as one of the first galaxies, could symbolize the moment when the egg of the early universe began to crack open, giving birth to stars and galaxies. The celestial weaver. In Chinese mythology, the goddess Jianu weaves the fabric of the heavens. z11, with its rapid star formation, could be seen as one of the first threads in the cosmic tapestry she created, imagining life in Jianzi-OR, while Jianzi-OR is too far away for us to visit. We can still imagine what it might be like to live there, a young universe. If you were in z11, the universe would look very different. There would be fewer stars and galaxies, and the night sky might appear darker and emptier. Rapid star formation. The galaxy would be a bustling place, with new stars being born all the time. These stars would be made mostly of hydrogen and helium, the simplest elements in the universe. No planets yet. Because z11 is so young, it's unlikely that planets like Earth exist there yet. The heavy elements needed to form rocky planets wouldn't have been created in large enough quantities. The future of z11. What does the future hold for z11? Over billions of years, z11 might grow and merge with other galaxies to become a larger, more complex galaxy like the Milky Way. As technology improves, scientists will continue to study z11 and other distant galaxies to learn more about the origins of the universe. z11 also serves as a reminder of the vastness and beauty of the cosmos. It inspires us to keep exploring and asking questions about our place in the universe. Whether through science, myth, or imagination, z11 invites us to dream big and explore the mysteries of the cosmos. Conclusion. The wonder of z11. z11 is more than just a distant galaxy. It is a time capsule from the early universe. By studying it, we can learn about the origins of galaxies, stars, and even ourselves. It reminds us that the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember z11, the ancient galaxy that shines as a beacon of knowledge and wonder across the vast expanse of space and time. It is a testament to the beauty and mystery of the cosmos, and a reminder that the universe is a story still being written. The end.